Hello everybody, my name is Dina Nigmejanovna. I am an English teacher. Welcome to our English lesson. Today the theme of our lesson is buying a train ticket. And now let's get acquainted with our aims of our lesson. Develop intercultural awareness through reading and discussion. Use appropriate subject-specific vocabulary and syntax to talk about a limited range of general topics and some curricular topics. Very good, let's begin our lesson. First of all, please open your books at page 106. At page 106, you can find some phrases that will help you if you want to go somewhere by train, for example. Please listen to me. I'd like. Can I have? Would it be possible? Can you tell me? How much is? What time does? Which platform does? From. Can I help you? Would you like? Can I see? You are welcome. Well done, let's continue our lesson. Now please find exercise 2 at page 106. Read the dialogue and mark the sentences true, false or doesn't say. But first of all, let's read this dialogue. Good afternoon, sir. Can I help you? Yes, I'd like an adult's and a child's ticket to Brighton, please. What time would you like to leave? 3:45. Single or return? Single, please. That's £54. Here you are. Can you tell me which platform the train leaves from? Certainly, sir. It leaves from platform 4. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a nice trip. Okay, now do the task. Mark the sentences true, false, or doesn't say. The first sentence. Mr. Omarov is traveling to Brighton alone. Sentence number 2. He wants to buy a ticket for his daughter. Sentence number 3. He plans to come back the next day. And sentence number 4. He pays £54 for the journey. Now it's your turn. Please try to think, mark the sentences, and then check yourself. After checking yourself, please watch the video.
Hello, a single to Manchester, please.
Single to... That's £21.
Thanks. What time's the next train?
10:30.
And which platform is it?
Platform 3.
Thanks.
Goodbye.
Good morning. I'd like a return to Cardiff, please, for next Tuesday.
That's Tuesday the 25th.
Yes, that's right.
Right. So, what time do you want to travel?
I need to be in Cardiff at 11 o'clock, 11 in the morning.
So, you need the 8:20.
What time does it arrive?
At 10:50.
Fine.
That's £40.25, please.
Thank you very much.
Very good. Now please look at page 106. You can see study skills box about role playing. Role playing is effective if you use your imagination. Think of a situation, the setting, who you are, how you feel, what gestures you might use, and etc. Please do exercise 4 at page 106. Look at the dialogue in exercise 2, take roles and read it aloud. You can do it with the members of your family. Now please watch another video about booking a train ticket.
At the train station. Hello, I'd like to purchase a ticket. Where are you going? I'm going to Chicago. How long do you plan on staying? Just a couple of days. I haven't decided when I'll return. How are you looking to travel? Economy or business class? What is the difference between the two? Economy is a standard seat. There are 4 seats to a section. Business class has reclining seats, with 2 seats per section. There is also a complimentary snack bar. Is there Wi-Fi? All train sections have Wi-Fi. What is the price difference? A one-way economy fare is $35. Business class is $75. What about round trip? Since you don't know your return date, a round-trip ticket is a bit more expensive. How so? A round-trip ticket with a return date is an additional $15 for both classes. An open ticket is an extra $25 economy. Business class is an extra $50. So much better for me to know my return day. Exactly. You can also book tickets online. So if you want to keep the return date open, check our website for any last-minute ticket deals. Great! Thanks for all your help. I'll take a one-way economy.
Okay, well done. Thank you for the lesson and good luck.